pack. Hey, show Daddy a wheelie, boy. Yeah! All right, so I'm here at Bootlegger Harley-Davidson in Knoxville, Tennessee. I was here for Traveling Talls, Run to the Hills 4, but it's Sunday. I'm here with SCOBEY here.
Yes, sir.
World famous SCOBEY. SCOBEY, tell me what you guys do here. What you do here?
Well, first and foremost, we sell Harley-Davidsons here at Bootlegger Harley-Davidson.
Right.
So anytime y'all are in town, stop by, see us. But also, if you are in town for a weekend and you have kids available, Sunday is what we call Sunday Funday, right over here in our parking lot where they do the Riding Academy.
Over there?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And what we do is we come out, we do family functions, have friends come out, bring the kids, and we just basically have a session. Wheelies, we teach kids how to ride. We had a Bikes Up Guns Down event one year, and we gave away 150 bicycles. So we're planning on doing that again this year, and you know, it's basically just to have fun. And also teach people how to ride and be aware of what's going on around them.
Oh, yeah, see? So SCOBEY, how long you been riding?
I've been riding since I was maybe 5, 6 years old.
5 or 6?
Yes, sir.
So I saw a little 5-year-old kid over there. I saw a 2-year-old kid over there.
Yes, sir, that's my son.
Oh, okay. So he got it honest then.
Yes,
okay.
sir, he does.
Awesome. So somebody wanted to come out here and participate for your event. Do they need anything?
Just come with a good attitude,
right,
and ready to have fun.
Do they need a helmet or anything?
Oh, yes, definitely protective gear. We don't want anybody to get hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is right at your own risk. You know, we are not reliable for anything that happens to anyone because it is such a risk.
You mind going over to introduce some of the guys that got over there?
Let's go.
All right, cool deal.
Go.
We're going over to check out some of the guys. All right. Oh, wow. Got some of everything over here.
Yes, sir.
Little 50s.
Yes, sir.
Groms.
Yes,
See
sir.
a sport bike over there. Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay. Hey, look at that guy. Hey, look at that. It's Traveling Tall.
Where's your daddy?
Okay.
Where's your mama?
Traveling Tall and his nephew. All right. All right. Got a little guy on the scooter. Hey.
Yes, sir. Galvanized Stunts right here.
Galvanized Stunts? Okay.
Galvanized Stunts. Y'all check him out on Instagram. Galvanized Stunts.
Okay.
Y'all check my man out. He's cold.
Okay.
Give it to us, Dylan. This is my boy Dylan.
Okay. All right, Dylan.
Hey. Show him what you got, Dylan.
Okay. Pretty cool. All right. Charles' nephew.
Yes, sir. He having fun.
Yeah, he's pretty fast on that thing.
Yes, sir.
Tall might have a flat track race on his hands. Wow. And this is micro SCOBEY?
Yes, sir. This is Ryder.
What's happening, Ryder? How you doing? Hey, all right, good meeting you, good meeting you.
You wanna go get your bike? You wanna show them how you ride? Go get your bike.
All right, we got Ryder about to do some stunts. Uh-oh.
Let's see what you got, buddy.
Uh-oh.
Can I see a wheelie?
Oh! Yeah!
What you got, buddy?
Oh.
Hey, show daddy a wheelie, boy.
Yeah! Oh!
Get it, buddy.
Yeah! Riding with the pack.
This is great.
Hey, look at that smile. Look at that smile. Uh-oh. Yeah! You got it, Ryder.
Sorry, y'all. Okay, buddy. Hey, buddy, let's go down here. You want to race? You want to race? Ready, set, go. Come on, buddy. Hey, man, thank you so much.
No problem.
Yes, sir. Thank
No
you
problem.
so much.
So, what do you guys call yourselves?
It's Humble Hero. That's my brand. It's a apparel company.
Okay.
We got your Southside Stunts out here.
Okay.
865 Bike Life. It's just a group of people.
Okay.
We don't have a specific name.
Okay.
Everybody just comes together to make it happen.
Okay. And that's every Sunday?
Every Sunday.
So is there any way to get contact you or to give away events like social media or anything?
Yes, sir. I have a Humble Hero Facebook page. My name is SCOBEY Long. You can find me there on Facebook. Humble Hero _1 on my Instagram.
Awesome. Thank you for the hospitality, SCOBEY.
Thank you, man. Thank you. You are always welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
again, if you're in Knoxville, Tennessee on a Sunday, right here,
Yes, sir.
Bootlegger Harley-Davidson. This little guy might be out here with a hot shoe on doing some flat track laps. He got a flat track. Charles got a flat track on his hands. He got a little dude out here on a Strider bike. This is the place to be. So if you got a family, you're into motorcycling, and want to get your kids started, come out here to Bootlegger Harley-Davidson and get your bike life on. You got girls out here. You got boys. Okay. Shouts out to Bike Life Knoxville. So you on Instagram or anything? Oh, okay. This little dude, you on Instagram or anything?
Nah.
All right.
Off the radar.
Okay. All right. Look at that smile. Smile. Bike Life Knoxville, here at Bootlegger Harley-Davidson. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to Build, Ride, Repeat. And we'll see you in the next one.